The opposition leader promised sweeping reforms across several socio-economic areas in Jamaican life. Among them, opposition Senator Donna Scott Motley spoke to the need for critical justice improvements, not only in court infrastructure, but also what she believes is proper stakeholder-led constitutional reform.
Because if you love your people, you must give them a place where they feel appreciated and valued. And so we will pursue constitutional amendments through a transparent and participatory process that engages shareholders from the ground up, all aimed primarily at the outset with replacing the British monarch with a Jamaican president, chosen by the people and accountable to the people.
Likewise, industry spokesman for the PNP, Anthony Hilton, called for reinvigoration of brand Jamaica and an export and logistics-led economy. He says the PNP endeavors to deliver 100,000 direct jobs in short order through its policy proposals.
Logistics is the lifeblood of modern commerce, and Jamaica is uniquely positioned to be its beating heart in the Americas. We will build logistics hubs that position Jamaica as the gateway between the Americas and the world. We will create over 100,000 direct jobs and 400,000 indirect jobs, not in 5 decades, but in the next decade, anchored in a bold SEZ infrastructure strategy.